even when we're working within a cultural and linguistic context that we know very well, we always get resistance. Doing this work is not about everybody loving you and making lots of friends, right? So of course you're going to get that. You can't use that as an excuse.
Yeah.
The fact of the matter is you are giving them every reason to reject what you're offering.
Yeah.
And why would you know that people are going to have resistance to these issues anyway. Why would you make it so easy for them to reject it? And frankly, I can't blame them for rejecting it.
Yeah.
Because you've just shown that you don't really care. We bang on and on about lived experience, but you're showing them that you don't really care about their lived experience when you present it that way to them.
Yeah.
I don't care what your
not
language
to
is.
speak directly to, something that in theory, like any qualified, any DEI practitioner worth anything should have down pat is the difference between equality and equity. And literally, how does this apply to language and cultural competency?
Thank you.
This whole conversation is about trying to treat everyone equally.
Precisely.
I'm going to have one thing in one way, and I'm going to provide it to everyone exactly the same. And they're the problem if they can't make it work.
There we go.
But people are inherently different. Diversity. People are diverse, including language, proficiencies, what native language they have, cultural all of that. That's anyway, just like, I know it's funny. I even see non-DI practitioners talk about like, oh, will you stop talking about the equality equity thing is so many, but it's like, just everything comes so much back to that.
Exactly. We'll stop talking about it when it stops being a thing.